3, 2, 1 ve go!
And now the second match of the regional just started, and Blue Alliance's robot is in the neutral zone collecting fuel, and 95-45 from Red Alliance has entered the neutral zone collecting fuel and taking back in their own zone, as Blue Alliance's robot has also collected fuel and taken back in their own zone, as their human players are shooting fuel in their hub, while looking at Red Alliance, their people are also shooting fuel into their hub. And now transition shift just started. Both lines are rushing into the neutral zone, as Red Alliance's 3 of their robots are in the neutral zone actively trying to collect fuel, while looking at Blue Alliance's 2 of their robots have entered the neutral zone trying to collect as much as fuel as they can and pushing it into their own zone, as 90-24 is pushing fuel into their zone. Looking at Red Alliance, 2 of their robots are in the neutral zone, 1 in their own zone with fuel ready to shoot into their hub, while looking at Blue Alliance, 90-24 is batched on top of fuel, while their other robot is shooting fuel into their hub. Now one of the Blue Alliance's robots is in the Red Alliance's zone trying to block the way or not allow Red Alliance's robot to shoot fuel into their hub, while looking at Red Alliance's 2 of their other robots are in the neutral zone. Blue Alliance's robot 90-24 is still batched on top of fuel, while their human players are trying to throw fuel into their hub. Looking at Red Alliance's 1 of their robots 72-98 is trying to collect and push fuel at the same time, going into their zone, waiting for their turn, while one of their robots seem to be stuck, as 113-71 from Blue Alliance is in the Red Alliance's zone, trying to defend the way for them to not shoot, while Blue Alliance is trying to collect fuel. Looking at Red Alliance, 1 of their robots is not budging at all, as 95-45 is in the neutral zone. Less than 1 minute remaining and Blue Alliance is in the lead. Red Alliance's human players are shooting fuel into their hub, while Blue Alliance's robot is trying to collect fuel. 90-24 is trying to push fuel so the human players can collect fuel and throw it into their hub. While looking at Red Alliance's robot 77-85 is trying to collect fuel, and now endgame has started. Both alliances only having 25 seconds remaining. Red Alliance's robots, 2 of them are trying to rush as fast as they can, collecting and pushing fuel into their zone, while Blue Alliance's 1 of their robots is in the Red Alliance's zone, trying to block their way. Red Alliance is in the lead with 22 points, and last 10 seconds, Blue Alliance's robot is in their own zone. And last seconds with 3, 2, 1. Winning alliance is Red Alliance. Red Alliance having 22 points and Blue Alliance having 16 points, as Red Alliance having 3 ranking points. Thank you both teams for the match.